Okay, so this is my new airsoft gun. It is a M4 M16 model. Pretty cool. It's got lots of attachments. Weighs about 7 pounds. It's pretty accurate. Decent. It's electric, full and semi-automatic. You can see right there. And these are the attachments that it came with. I didn't buy any of these. I actually came with all of them. It came with this, which is loads of the magazine. Didn't come with this. This is the regular handle, which also adds onto the iron sights. See right here. Flashlight, and it comes with batteries. This is something I haven't really messed with yet, but it's a laser pointer. And yeah, haven't really been messing with it much. This is an interchangeable barrel system, and this is a silencer barrel you can put on it. Doesn't really silence anything, it's a little bit more accurate, but not much real difference. Pretty much just for show. Glasses, strap, a handle that goes right down here. Of course, I haven't put it on either. I don't really feel I need it. Tons of BBs. It says it's supposed to come with more, but it only came with about 100, maybe at the most 100. And these are on like little grips or handrails that go on the side of the barrel here. I took them off the first time I charged the battery, and I didn't put them back on because it didn't really seem like something you really needed, and I liked the general look of it without them better. Gives it a more M16 feel. It also comes with this barrel, which is a longer, more precision barrel, and a scope here. Hold on just a second. Alright, and if you look through there, I don't know if you can really see it that good right now. Hold on. You can see a little laser down at the end of it. It's got laser crosshairs on the inside of it. So yeah, that's pretty cool, and I'm going to show you, I guess, fire test of it. Yeah, it's set on automatic, and since you can't really see the bullets, I'll shoot something that you can see. See? It doesn't hurt. Pretty much doesn't hurt really at all. And just in case you're wondering, no, I did not hit the cat. No, the magazine here holds 40 BBs. And I use ultrasonic BBs. It says it increases velocity by 10%, and my friend tells me that this is what the pros use. I'm gonna reload real quick. It really doesn't take that long. Pretty quick and easy to use gun, in my opinion. Now I'm gonna give you a look through the. I already gave you a look through the scope. So now I'm gonna show you me changing parts in it. it's very quick. Does not take long at all. Just have it right here. Yeah. And boom, iron sights. Take a nice look through that. It's accurate, it's really decently accurate. I'm not saying it's the most accurate thing in the world, because it's not a rifle or a sniper rifle, no, it's about medium range. You know, from here to, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a road out there. Right out there. You see where that tree line starts way out there? Thick trees. There's a road about there. That would be a big stretch for its accuracy. But something like over there at that dirt road, I could go past that, way past that. I'll probably hit the barn from here, a little shop-like thing. So it's probably just a blur of white out there, but I can hit that from right here. So, yeah, I'd say about 30 to 50, possibly 60 feet. Okay, now I'm going to go over the basic parts of the gun itself. You got your stock, you know, you always have that. This right here, just a bunch of plastic. Looks like it does something, and I was sure, man, this has to do something, but it doesn't. It's just for show. That's your magazine release button. And here you flop this down, and you have a hop setting and normal setting. I don't think you can read that, but that's what it says. Normal, hop, and there's a switch right here. Choose between them. That's your magazine. You just press the magazine release button, and it releases the magazine. See, slide it back in. Right here, your battery is in here, and you just pull this back right here, unless you have the handrails on. If you have the handrails off, you have to take them off by pressing the little button on the side. Hold on. By pressing this in and pulling it back. That's only if you have those on, though. If you don't, just pull this back and pop this top part off right here, and your battery's in there. And you got your standard barrel. It's pretty short. It's got little red dots on it. So it's pretty much the only bad thing about this gun. On this side, again, all this stuff right here in this area is for show. But right here you have your switch for semi-automatic and automatic and safe. Safe, semi-automatic. And trigger, and this button right here which activates it. You just push this in before you fire, so you can fire. Otherwise it just, you know, it's black all over it, except for right there. And here's where you attach your strap. That's pretty much it. Oh, and one more thing. The stock is still retracts. So pressing this little thing right here.